Hello everyone, I'm here again on a property tour, this time in Mira Oasis. I'm going to show you a slightly bigger townhouse. It's a Type J, a 3-bedroom plus maid, and additional room on the ground floor, which you can use it as a study room or a guest room. This is the entry to the basically the back side of the townhouse. Leads you to the pathways to the green area, the basketball court behind the villa. So here's the living room and the dining area. You have large openings and windows, allows you a lot of natural light inside. Here is the kitchen. So here it is, the study room, which you have the direct access to the garden as well. This is the guest washroom, in addition to the shower, which you can use this room as an extra basically guest room. I've seen a lot of people removing this room as well to add some space to the living area. So you have a couple of options. Here's the storage and laundry room, and this is the main entrance, and this is the garage door to the inside of the villa. Over here, this is the laundry room again, or storage, and here's the maid's room with attached bathroom, and this is the double garage area. Let me show you the first floor. So on first floor, we have the master bedroom, the wardrobe, and the master bathroom, double sink, and you have the private balcony over here. So you have a small green area over here, and then this side it leads you to the basketball court and the swimming pool area and other play areas. Here we have the other two rooms, which they're sharing the bathroom. And this is the last bedroom. You already have a guest inside. And here is the second balcony. So this property is currently available for rent. Let me know if you're interested and we can schedule the viewing.